Modular instrumentation trainer temperature sensor panel. I've got MIT6 right now. So we have got a mini oven here. Just this mini oven is heated by 3.9 ohm, six numbers of half-watt resistors. It is in the circuit diagram. It is given. A mini oven is constructed here. It has got a oven on LED also, and it is heated by 3.9 ohm half-watt resistor. We have 6 numbers of resistors we have used to heat up this one. There is a to 95 degrees centigrade. You'll ask me how many temperature sensors are here in this panel. We have got J-type thermocouple, we have got K-type thermocouple, we have got thermistor output, RTD output, and IC sensor AD590. So 5 temperature sensors are given in this panel, all in this mini oven. I'll make it on. First of all, I'll have to give 12 volt as usual. 12 volt is connected to this board, and minus 12 volt is connected to here, and we have got a ground also. We have to give a ground connection here, just like this. First of all, I'll break this temperature loop. I'll put it to this computer interface so that temperature will not increase. Okay, and after that I'll have to set 10.3 volt. This is initial calibration. So I'll put the ground here, and I'll adjust to 10.3 volt here by using this one. You'll ask me what is this one? This is for calibration of RTD and thermistor. This 10.3 volt has to be done for 10.3 volt. And first, next question you will ask me, what is the room temperature, sir? The room temperature is given here up to 0.32. Will do from this one. I'll make to 0.32. This is the room temperature. So you can adjust to anything, 0.35, 0.28, anything 0. And after that, once you adjust this RTD voltage 10.3 volt, once you adjust room temperature around some 0.32 volt. 32 volt is indicates 32 degrees centigrade. Put the switch to 55 degrees, and the oven will become on. And once it reaches 55 degrees, it's a very slow process. Once it reaches 55 degrees centigrade, the oven LED will become off. Take the reading of RTD, thermistor, IC sensor, everything. Thermocouple I haven't demonstrated right now. You have to do a connection J-type here, J-type here, correct? So it is increasing right now. The temperature is increasing. I have put this one here. As soon as it reaches 0.55 volt, this LED will become off. And at the time, take the reading of temperature sensors like thermocouple. Thermistor, RTD, and IC sensor AD590. Just take it. And temperature is a very slow process. It's right now 0.46 volt. So it has reached, the voltage is 0.51 volt, 0.52 volt, so it has reached 0.56, and after that just it has a tolerance, and this LED will become off right now. 0.5, it has become off. Just students will have to take the reading right now. Thermistor output, student will take the reading 0.74 thermistor. Immediately another student will take the reading 1.92, this is the RTD output, and IC sensor AD590, it is showing minus. It shows always in minus sign. It always, because it is given in the manual, it will show minus, and that is IC sensor AD590. So once your temperature reaches 55 degrees centigrade, and the LED is off, take the reading. Similarly, student will have to put it in its next position, that is 65 degrees centigrade, and similarly you can take all the readings. Thank you.